Thank you very much, First Deputy Speaker. I start with 2023-24 growing season. Haswell Chakwera, 18.4 million. Rudo Chakwera, 3 million with part payment. Balance is 183,000. Abel Ephraim Kayembe, 20 million. Blessings Chimpamba, 20 million. Vitumbiko Mbulo, 166 million. Jini Mwana Sendeza, 182 million. Abel Kalinde, 233 million. Madalito Kazombo, 225 million with part payment. Ezekiel Chingoma, a balance of 23 million. Ule Muchila Pondwa, 291 million. Chakufa Chihana, 318.6 million. Charles Kawale, 14 million. Chifundo Pagamisa, 543 million. 0.3. Katoto Investments, 157,500,000. Regina Kanjaza, 196,946,000. Vitumbiko Chitaya, 169,930,000. Joseph Gideon, 167,788,000.
These are defaulters. The list that she has is a list of defaulters, according to the Honorable Minister.
146,700,000. Honorable Second Deputy Speaker, let me mention that I'm reading out the figures in round figures. Helen Zalia Chabunya, 143,740,000. Edith Nkoma, 140,307,000. Priscilla Muntali, 127,017,000. Joshua Msisha.
Honor members from the opposition, let's take this exercise very serious. We requested for it. Actually, there were names that she started with of people that you know, and now that someone you don't know to belong to you has been mentioned, you want to pretend you don't know the other names. Let's be fair. Let's be fair and listen to the Honorable Minister in silence. Honorable Minister, please proceed.
Honorable Second Deputy Speaker, we have Pike Nyirenda, 119 million. Benson Chiseu, 100,600,000. Agnes Chalera Banda, 88,956,000. Benson Chikunga, 76 million. Blessings Lucia Mware, 63 million. James Rogers, 62 million. Edward Kantunzi of Livingstonia Synod, 61,823,000. Agrippa Piri, 61,600,000. Irene Dila, 59 million. Grace Mhango, 59 million. Lyson Sakala, 53 million. George Masiku, 52 million. Rebecca Namwela, 48 million. Kennedy Banda, 46 million. Tarsisius Nita, 44 million. Philip Banali, 43.6 million. Lon Pegani Nguruwe, 39 million. Samson Jasweka, 37.6 million. Roderick Chataika, 35.4 million. James Masare, 35 million. Jonathan Boaz Kamakanda, 33 million. Martin Ishadi, Sunny Limited, 33 million. Henry Muyaya, 30 million. Ferry Beatrice Nasolo, 30 million. Esa Umbukwa.
Honourable Minister, you might need a drink, take your water. Honourable Member for Pilanjus, are you okay with the list?
Deputy Speaker, yesterday I told you that I was angry, and today I'm very, very angry. We cannot go on like this as a country. This has to come to an end. When we borrow from government, it's not a grant. We need to pay it back. So I am glad that the Honorable Minister has referred this matter to the Attorney General for legal action. And that is why I also want to ask the same Attorney General to make sure that he acts swiftly on the issue we raised yesterday about the 90 billion. May the Attorney General deal with that issue. Actually, that money has to be frozen before they share. You know what happens? You see, it's very few people that actually benefit, and yet they want to paint all of us with the same brush. The same with the 90 billion. Not everyone has shared the 90 billion here. It's very few people that are benefiting from this 90 billion. And out there, people are saying it's DBB, DBB, when it's not everybody there. Very few people. May the Attorney General freeze the 98 billion and make sure that those criminals...
Thank you very much. Honour members, I wanted the Honour Minister to rest a bit. And why did I pick Pilanjusi? Because yesterday he was very angry. So listening to the names of people that he personally know, and some of them I personally know as a politician, and he knows them well. That's why I picked on him. Nothing serious. And Chiwamba, you know these people that have been mentioned. You know them well.
Esa Umbukwa, 30 million. Love Mopemba, 26 million. Yanjanani Piri, 23 million. Amosi Rolento Mteto, 22 million. Priska Harawa, 22 million. Martin Dasowa, 21 million. Charles Harawa, 21 million. Charles Mazinga, 21 million. Harold Foster, 19 million. Isafa General Farming, 19 million. Michael Kamua, 19 million. But there's a part payment there. Magdalena Mambia, 18.7 million. Terita Chitsulo, 18 million. Iwalani Kachapira, 18 million. Alufeo Malukomo, 17.6 million. Edmond Kutua, 17.2 million. George Kanyambo, 17.2 million. Daniel Chipokosa, 17 million. Rudoviko Sambaya, 16 million. Grace Makubete, 16 million. There is part payment. Francis Kalambule, 16 million. Alpha Gamma, 13 million. Wilfred Pidi, 15 million, part payment. Mark Chikoko, 14 million with part payment. Doreen Mtali, 14 million. Isaac Banda, 14 million with part payment. Gertrude Namwanza Banda, 14 million. Atusaye Kajala Mafulirwa, 14 million. Margaret Monica Tindwa, 13 million. Nasem Sisha, 12 million. Seremani Jalakala, 12 million. Leonard Nchiko, 12 million. Kenny Gunsalu, 11 million. Fred Kazombo, 11 million. Blessings Jingolombe, 11 million. Mwangupiri Ngosi, 11 million. John Kondowe, 11 million. Joseph Makwawa, 10 million. Stephen Aipira, 11 million. Tamandani Banda, 11 million. Seka Chizinga, 11 million. Sam Chipala, 10.6 million. John Mponde, 10.5 million. Kennedy Nkoma, 10 million. Timothy Epulani, 9.8 million. Macnon Kilembe, 9.7 million. Stephen Chirambo, 9.5 million. Usama Kamisi, 9 million. Gertrude Umari, 9 million. Esias Banda, 8.5 million. Eric Abel Tembo, 8 million. Adam Nyirenda, 7 million. Charles Kambarame, 7 million. Maria Kachaka, 7 million. Flora Gondwe, 5.5 million. Owen Kandulu, 9.8 million with part payment. Erubega Fugiza, 12.4 million with part payment. Morris Makina, 6 million. George Mjale, 6 million. Brighton Msosa, 5.8 million. Chikondi Kapalepale, 5.4 million. Christopher Ntali Manja, 5.4 million. Jameson Ndawala, 5.5 million. Willie Kamera, 5 million. Part payments, Eunice Likonde, 5 million. Samson Sanena, 7 million, part payment. Thokozani Yonamu, 7 million part payment. Christopher Kaunda, 4 million part payment. Gertrude Ngwira, 12 million with part payment. Christopher Mogoya, 5 million with part payment. Matilda Mbale, 4 million with part payment. Dumisani Nguruwe, 4 million. Roslyn Mandala, 4 million. Caroline Kashirika, 4 million. Esther Pwitiko, 4 million. Peter Chapuma, 3.5 million. John Gutsu, 2.7 million. Anne Kandulu, 2.7 million. Harrison Limame, 2.6 million. Alice Kamanga, 2.5 million. Maggie Nundwe, 2.1 million. Blessings Chimpamba, 1.8 million. Christina Chitira, 1.8 million. Trines Madaka, 1.6 million with part payment. Kulinji Kapote, 1.1 million. Angela Ngalande, 1.1 million. Robert Mlenga, 679,000. Cecilia Mumba, 593,000. Tumbiko Mbale, 443. Stephen Graham Banda, 257. Tanyanyiwa Lorencia, 199,000. I now go to the last growing season. Hare Kanjuzi, 590 million with part payment. Jairos Bonongwe, 397 million. Tipirire Chambankoma, Tipirire Chambankoma, the loan was 325 million. The balance is 130 million. Paul Tumbembe Nkoma, 313 million with a balance of 86 million. Sekeleni Chisimba, 303 million with part payment. Esther Chamalaka, 325 million. Yafet Chikunga, 307 million. Bareke Kaonga, 243 million. Claire Kaunda, 281.6 million. Karima Chimanja, 271 million. William Mbiliam Veka, 260 million. Titani Kamutu, 249 million. Anthony Ngoma, 239 million. Zakaria Mbulunga, 235 million. Limbikani Mahachi, 223 million. Tendai Gama, 220 million. Patrick Namvai, 213 million. Alik Muntali, 188 million. Shadrick Friday Marua, 209 million. Chimwemwe Kalazi, 205 million. Yona Mtanga, 205 million. Alinafe Sawasawa, 130 million. Maxwell Makaza, 203 million. Jean Rose Gotani Mkandawire, 198 million. Gareth Fisombero, 167 million. James Ndala, 189 million. Hyphen Tishani, 188 million. Alex Chirwa, 186 million. Justin Likunya, 186 million. Geoffrey Mbulo, 180 million. Sobani Gomezulu, 176 million. Paul Nyirenda, 176 million. Tadara Kambwiri, 173 million. Katenje Samuel, 155 million. Samuel Katenje, again, 53.9 million. Frank Misozi Alawe, 173 million.